This video covers setup and operation of the fully automatic vector pump without documentation. Be sure to complete all pump physical inspection and setup instructions as described in the previous video prior to configuring the pump for a specific job. If using a stealth model tool, check to make sure the tool is stamped with TA to indicate compatibility with the vector pump. When using small tools, such as the MXT.7 or smaller, contact Hytorc for instructions. Job setup starts with entering tool information. All setup is entered using the handheld remote control with LCD screen, 3 front buttons, and a single green trigger button on the back. Starting with the System Ready screen, push the right button to enter the mode screen. On the mode screen, use the left or right button to highlight Fully Automatic. Push the green trigger button to select and display the documentation screen. If the pump has the documentation option, select No on the documentation screen and push the green trigger button. Scroll through preloaded wrench options and push the green button to select the model being used for this application. Once the wrench model and size are selected, they will be applied to each port used. On the Tool Type screen, select the size tool being used. On the Set Torque screen, set the target torque by using the left and right buttons to increase and decrease the torque value and the green button to select. The job setup is now complete. Once the job setup is complete, test the vector pump and torque tools prior to operation. Verify all tools are connected to the pump. Prior to starting the test, place all tools on the floor. Check that the tools can rotate freely during the test to ensure proper calibration. Press and hold the green button to start the pump motor, applying pressure while checking the pump and tools for leaks. Continue to press the green button and check for leaks during the entire test. Release the trigger when the test is 100% complete. The pump motor will automatically stop after 20 seconds, or push one of the front buttons and the pump motor will stop right away. Once the vector pump job setup and testing is complete, place the tools onto the bolts. Press and hold the green trigger button to start fully automatic pump operations. The pump motor will automatically turn on and apply pressure to the tools and tighten the bolts. Continue holding the green button during tightening. The status screen indicates bolting in progress. Continue to hold the green button when the target torque is reached and tightening is complete. Continue holding the green button as the pump checks the torque value has been reached. When the pump is done verifying the torque value, release the green trigger button. This completes the fully automatic torquing operation and verification. The vector pump can now be set up for the next bolting operation.